What is up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the channel. I hope you all are having a great day. This is going to be the hauls video for the month of September. This is everything I've found for the month of September. And let's get into it real quick. Here is this Matchbox. Very cool. MBX backhoe. Awesome. Got it for the kiddos. Here is another Matchbox. We got a 57 GMC step side. Very cool. Love this color. Love the casting. Awesome. Got another Matchbox. Another of these buses. 55 GMC Scenic Cruiser. I have one in orange, and this is the second one I have in blue. It is very rare for me to come up and see these, so when I found it, I picked it up because I think they're kind of unique. Pretty cool. I like those buses. Yeah. Another Matchbox. Now look at this one. Those big wheels. 68 Dodge D200. Very cool. Ooh, look at this beauty. Look at that paint job. That's a very cool color. This is a 63 Austin Healey Roadster. Awesome. Very cool. To the side. We got it here. Ooh, look at this. This is a MBX 4x4. I like that paint job. This paint job's pretty dope. Very cool. Very, very cool. We got a Bug, a Beetle. Awesome. Yeah, 62 Volkswagen Beetle. Now, I need to be picking more of these up because they are rare to find. Not really rare to find, but you don't get to see those often. Check this out. Look at this cool bus from Matchbox. Pretty cool. Had to pick this one up. Now, this is a GMC school bus. Awesome. Very cool. Now we got what is this? Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. Sport Turismo. That's a very cool color, man. Like, check those wheels out. Damn. You got all the temples in the back. You got the headlights in black. Very cool. You got the Porsche emblem. Awesome. Now this one. This one's a beauty. I like that. Next one. Ooh. This is a Dart. Dodge Dart. 68 Dodge Dart. Now, that blue is beautiful. I think this one is in green as well. Exactly the same temples on the side, but just in green. Very cool. Let's see, and not all these I got them on Dollar General. Actually, that's just the bag I used to put it away. 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Ooh, look at this truck. Very cool. Very cool. Not too much detail, just plain and simple. Sometimes that's all you need. That's all you gotta do. Just plain and simple. We got here a Hobo Exotic, a 90 Acura NSX. Now this one's dope. Got that R in the hood. Very cool. Very cool. Ooh, look at this. 68 Shelby GT 500. Look at that. That's a nice color. Up here it looks purple. And the camera looks purple, like purple violet. But in reality it's like a blue, like dark blue. The card, I mean not the car. The card looks like it's violet or purple. So, let's go to the next one. Ooh. Jaguar XE SV Project 8. I saw this baby and I picked it up right away. Look at that, all the temples, look at that glitter, look at that paint job. That is cool. That is cool. I like this one. So I also recommend if you guys are sports car fans or Jaguar fans, I recommend you pick this one up. This one's a good one. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Got a bone shaker. I think I picked this one up for a friend because I'm not so much on bone shakers, but yeah. Here we got a 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Very cool. Looks kind of like fantasy car ish. Very cool. Lamborghini. They need to come back with Ferrari. That's what they need to come back with. Here's a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Now this one I just picked it up just because of the damn paint job. There's the damn temples, man. That's cool. Check that out. You got the big Honda logo on top. You got the emblem. There you go. Look at that emblem. Awesome. No temples in the back, no lights, but hey, take what you can get. Check this one out. I picked two of these up, but I traded one of them and some other pieces that I found with my brother for a Super. I'll show you the Super in a bit. Party Wagon. Very cool, from the Ninja Turtles. Now if I see this one again, I'm gonna pick it up. Got to. Man, this is cool. Oh, and it's also from the Screen Time series. Ooh, check this one out. Batmobile in gray. So there's a black one, and I think the black one has a yellow windshield and blue windshield. Now I have the gray one with the yellow windshield. Awesome. But also a Batman collector, the car collector. Hey, look, we got two. I didn't realize I got picked up too. This probably was a different days. Yeah, because I might have got one thinking that I didn't get it, but hey, that's cool. We got a 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible in orange. Dude, look at those temples. Damn, look at the emblem, the lights, and then convertible. Nice. Nice. Next one. Ooh. Now, this is a custom auto. I honestly thought this was like a real car, and then my brother's like, "No, dude, this is like a fantasy car. They just based it off of real. It's like a Charger or something. I don't know." I was like, "Oh, okay, cool." I like the paint job though. The paint job is pretty cool. The purple. Awesome. Next one, another Lamborghini. Sesto Elemento. Look at the damn color, dude. The color. With that little bit of orange. Pops. Now imagine cruising with this one. Going down the beach. South Padre. Ooh. Get all the honeys. No, ya toca out. Yeah. No se puede. Look at this BMW Z4. Is it Z4? Or is it 24? Z4 M Motorsport. Now this one was pretty dope. When I saw it, I was like, this one's pretty damn cool. I like the paint job. The temples, not the paint job, but the temples. Simple, elegant. Next one. Oh, we got another bike. And I think I already picked this one up. I think last month or 2 months ago. Oh. BMW K1300R in gray. Pretty cool. I like bikes. Can't go wrong with bikes. The only bad part about the bikes is that how do you stand them up? They can stand up, but then they fall. So like, how can you display them? Leave it in the comments. Now this one was pretty cool. I like it that it has the details of the motorbikes in the back. And this is a 2000 Jeep Gladiator in red. That red is dope. It pops. It's pretty cool. So we got a Jeep. We got this one. I said before, I'm not a big fan of this particular design, but I picked it up because I've always seen the green one in camo, the green camouflage, and then I saw this one in red and I was like, oh, that's cool. I would like to have both of them. So there's a 68 Chevy Nova in that shark. Let me know in the comments. This is one detail I really would like to know. What is this company? Is it a brand, a company? Is it just this? Because I've seen this drawn on a lot of different things like airplanes and cars, motorcycles. But what does it represent? And last but not least is this truck. I should have picked up the red one. I saw a red one. Should have picked it up. Erikenstein rod. Am I pronouncing it right? Erikenstein. Oh well. Look at that. Look at that beast. How much gas would you be spending on this car? Driving it in real life. It seems like a gas guzzler. But it looks dope. It looks dope. It looks like a tank type truck. Very cool. Very cool. So I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I think that's all. Ooh, but one thing. And here is the rest of it. So I actually had 5 more cars. This one, I had one of these, and I had, I think, another Porsche or something like that. Well, I traded it in for this Supra. My brother, shout out to him, he got so lucky and found 2, like in the same week. I don't remember, but like in the same week or month, he found 2 of these. So he jokingly told me to trade for 4 or 5 regular cars for that Supra. And I was like, right, I would have given him to you, but hell, I want this Supra. So made the trade, and now we got another Supra, y'all. Yeah, I don't know how many that would be in the collection, but yeah, another Supra. So that would be all of the finds for this month of September. And yeah, check it out. Hope y'all are having a great day, a great time collecting. Please be safe in this horrible time, in this damn pandemic. We all hate this damn corona, but we just gotta do the best, I guess, of the situation. But yeah, good luck everyone. Have a good one. Peace.